Hello, I'm Pastor Navin Bola here in the north in Lambasa. We are in the village in Nasir settlement called Nambulimbulewa, and we have Mrs. Dyer and her husband Wesley, and as you can see, this is what used to be the house foundation, and we are standing on the what used to be the foundation of the house. And maybe Mrs. Dyer can explain a little bit what happened that day.
During the cyclone, while we're calling out the cyclone, we started nailing tins on our windows just to keep us safe from trees falling down, branches falling down. And then when it got stronger, and my son and I, we were under the table. My other son, he was under the bed, but we couldn't take the wind. It was very strong. So we thought, we decided we had to move away since our neighbor's house had already gone down, because we thought, we'll escape to his house. But since his house went first, so we thought, we had to run away somewhere else. So while the wind was really getting strong, my husband was in the kitchen. We called him, okay, we better go while it was still bright. That was about 6 in the afternoon. And then we moved out through the front door since the wind was coming from the back door.
Front door over there?
It was the front door. So we moved to the front, and then while we were standing there, one of our panels flew and landed on the ground just in front of us. So soon as the thing, like sometimes it comes and then...
You're talking about the panel
yes,
for
solar.
the solar panel?
Yes, it fell down right in front of us. And then he grabbed hold of our little son. I grabbed hold of only our towel. That was all what we took. All our things was left back. So we couldn't prepare to, So we just thought of our lives, because we thought, these are the things one day we'll manage to get them back. But for our life, we won't be able to get our life. So we ran down there. That's my elder brother's house. He lives down there. While running down here, all these trees were all, the coconut trees were all fallen down, down below. And then we ran across the bridge. When we hid behind, that is my other brother's house. We hid at the back. While tins were flying over us, we hid, to save us from getting hurt. And then we ran across to my brother's house. We stayed there till the next morning. We could just hear splashing tins and all flying. Early in the morning, I got up to come and see, thinking that only the roof had gone, but no. When I came, only the floor was left.
So this is what you saw?
Yes.
When the next morning?
The next morning, my machine was right down that lemon tree down there. That's our drawer. Everything was gone right to money.
Wow. So how long was the wind blowing?
From 6 to 11 at night.
Almost 6 hours.
Yes.
But it was very strong.
By 3 o'clock in the afternoon we were getting it, but it wasn't that, but it was strong at 3 o'clock. But when it came to 5, 6 o'clock, we couldn't take it anymore.
Well, there you see the account of the winds that blew the Dyers, Mrs. Dyer's house down. And we are standing on the foundation on the ground. And maybe somebody might be inspired by the Lord to help the Dyers here in Nambulimbulewa settlement. You could give to our mission office at cmc.missions.org/donate. And if you can designate it to Cyclone for Dyers to rebuild their house, that would be appreciated. Thank you, Mrs. Dyer.